going, guys? Quick little video here. Came over to my local O'Reilly's here and I discovered something, and then hopefully it helps you guys out. This is the air filter that came out of my it's a regular 2.5 25 GT Skyline, non-turbo, and apparently it shares the same air filter as a 3.5 liter Nissan Pathfinder. So here's the part number, and then again, this is what came out of my car, just a regular paper filter. And sure enough, it looks like it's gonna fit. So in case you guys are in the States and are looking for a air filter, high flow air filter for your car, here's the part number. But regardless, even if you wanted just a regular paper filter, just look up like a Nissan Pathfinder with a V6 3.5, and they share that same air filter. So we're gonna put it on. I was thinking of doing the pod filter, but a lot of people were saying there's a lot of heat soak, and I was kind of in the middle. I do have a Z-Tune style hood, so I was thinking maybe a little bit of the heat goes out of the engine. I'm trying to find my keys. I was thinking maybe a little bit of the heat would, dissipate, but I'm not sure. But here's what my engine bay looks like. Figured I would start with the cheaper mods and then eventually go on with, I do want to E85 it, so let's put on that air filter real quick. See if I actually notice a difference on the highway. So just in case, quick reference, yeah, looks like it fits, snug, doesn't move or anything. Looks like it's ready to go. Let's take that